So female PlayStation fan 404, what's my opinion on the Phillies fan?
Liked 100.
We'd like to invite you for the next hour or so, live from our studios here at the ABS.
Wala istorya ka, biri ka naman nakikinig.
Bakit ako magagalit sa'yo?
Gusto niyo ng fried egg? Fried eggs na tupimon?
Sala sa nonsense.
It's 12 noon. Welcome to Student Canteen.
Send the Filipino at the tip of his tongue if he connects with a big one.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The entire Philippines under martial law.
ABS, CBN is committed to help to strengthen our democracy.
The formal inaugural of the ABS-CBN Broadcasting Corporation.
In the world tonight.
Magandang umaga, mga kapit.
Public service lang. Walang personalan.
Wherever we go, we shall always be faithful to our commitment of being in the service of the Philippines.
You are the new Miss Universe 1994.
We'll always devote our hearts to the Filipino audience.
Remaining true to our reason for being in the service of the Filipino.
Dear Charo,
Kami ang inyong sandigan ng katotohanan.
Lumipas at magbago man ang panahon, sa isip at pananaw, sa puso at diwa ng Pilipino, iisa ang ibig sabihin ng telebisyon. ABS-CBN, 50 taon nang naglilingkod sa sambayanang Pilipino.